What's something people don't know about Taylor Swift? She can handle a tech glitch like a pro. During her sold-out Eras Tour show in Warsaw, Taylor Swift had to hit pause and not for a costume change. A pesky static noise invaded her earpiece, making it impossible to continue. Always the professional, Taylor stopped the music and addressed her fans directly. She explained the issue and promised it would be fixed quickly. While her team worked on the problem, Taylor shared a funny story about her wireless guitar pack and earpiece being too close together. Fans loved it, turning a tech hiccup into a memorable moment. Some even joked about her hidden talent in troubleshooting. This little snag also reignited rumors about a hissing sound during her acoustic set, sparking more speculation about her upcoming Reputation, Taylor's version, release. Despite the brief interruption, Taylor's grace and humor shone through, cementing her reputation as a top-tier performer. This Warsaw show glitch might have been unexpected, but it only made the concert more unforgettable for Swifties. Stay tuned for more Eras Tour highlights and Taylor moments.